Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to solve your problem of Instagram post. If you need an Instagram post, you have an Instagram page which have a lot of followers and you want some posts or videos, you can easily use posts and videos from this website. The name of this website is Canva. Simply you have to search the Canva here. After searching the Canva, you have to write here Instagram post, quotes, whatever you want you can search from here. For example, I'm going to search Instagram post. After this you have to search here Instagram post. After searching the Instagram post, you are going to see a lot of templates and you can choose any template or any format you want. For example, I'm going to use this one, or I'm going to use this one. So you have to click on this option and then you have to click on this customize this template. If you want another one, you can choose also that one from here. For example, I'm going to use this video. You can use this video too. You have to click on the video. Now you have to again click on the customize this template. As you can see, the video has some pictures, so if you want change the pictures, you can easily do that. Simply you have to go to the upload. After going to the upload, you have to click on the upload and now you have to select your pictures you want to be uploaded. For example, I'm going to in this one. After going in this one, I'm going to use this and this. I'm going to use these 4 pictures and I'm going to just change few pictures as we can see the result. So our pictures are uploading. Let it to be upload. Simply I'm going to drag this one here. After this I'm going to use this one here and make it zoom in. Okay, now zoom out. So if you want to see the preview, simply you have to click here and we will be able to see the preview. So let's click. As you can see the sample from here, our video is working well and we have changed the pictures. Let's start for again as a video. So simply click on the close. So if you want to edit the image, you can easily edit the image and you can also replace the image. After this you have to click on the share and then press on the download and your video will be ready to use on Instagram. So I hope you understand the video. See you in the next one.